The ancient Kesarwal spring at Kotalim, a major tourist attraction once upon a time, has been neglected for quite a long time. Now, finally, after so many false starts, it's likely the spring will get a facelift, Kotalim MLA Alina Saldana promised. The Kotalim's Kesarwal spring is very famous and ancient one. However, due to bushes and collapsing mud, the spring has turned into an eyesore. Kotalim MLA Alina Saldana has now taken steps to rejuvenate the spring.
तुम्ही सगळी जाणा आमी आतां हिंगा आमची फामाद केसरवाल जोर हांगा उबी आसा कित्याक आमी ह्या जोरीचें काम आयज चालू करता. प्रिलिमिनरी क्लिनिंग एंड रेस्टोरेशन ऑफ केसरवाल स्प्रिंग. आमी सगळीं जाणा की ही जोर आयजूच न्हू पूण लोक हिंगा सद्दां न्हांवपाक येतालो कित्याक ही जोर ह्या जोरीचें उदक मेडिसिनल वॉटर आनी ह्या खातीर जो कोण रिमॅटिझम आसले वो आंग दुखताले वो कितें हिंगा न्हांवपाक येताले आनी हिंगा न्हांवून ते लोक बरो बी जातालो कित्याक दीज वॉटर्स आर मेडिसिनल वॉटर्स एंड बिसाइड्स दॅट पीपल यूज टू कम हियर जस्ट टू एन्जॉय द एनवायरमेंट. ओके आनी ह्याच खातीर आमी हें काम घेतलेलें आसा under WRD, okay, and the cost, this is only preliminary work and the cost of this work is about 4 lakhs. Now, as you can see around us, a lot of work has to be done. The steps have to be put in order. Further we have to, as you can see, we have to ensure that landslides do not take place, because landslides zalyar what will happen is it can block the flow of the water. So I request WRD engineers to take up this work seriously. I'm sure our contractor Mr. Camille Fernandez will do a good job, and I request WRD to please ensure that we not only take care of the preliminary work, but let us ensure that the environment around the spring is also put in place to ensure and to bring the spring back to its original glory. And in fact, I had spoken about this spring on the floor of the house, and the tourism minister also had promised me that this spring would be put back to its old glory, because this is a tourist attraction.
आमचे प्रोसेस क्लोज जाला आसता त्या टायमार आनी आतां अनफॉर्च्युनेटली हे व्हडले लँडस्लायड जावन ते आनी सारकें सगळी डॅमेज जाल्ली. दॅट टायम वी रिक्वेस्ट WRD थ्रू मॅडम आनीक आतां प्रिलिमिनरी स्टेज म्हणल्यार एट अरावंड 4 lakhs एन एबाव ते पयलीं ते जस्ट कवरींग करता आनी दॅट पर्टिक्युलर एरिया डॅमेज जाला ते मातशें हें करतली. आनी आफ्टर दॅट रिइन्फोर्समेंट बी ते फूल रॉक बोल्डिंग बी करतले आनी ताका फूल सपोर्ट करतले आनी दॅट इज नो लँडस्लायड्स.
Hiru Male for Goa 365 from Kotalim.